first webinar. There is actually one day international webinar, and the topic is impact of COVID-19 on economy and society, which is going to held on 28th July from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. and which is going to organized by Department of Commerce and Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Deena Bandhu Andrews College, West Bengal. So our next webinar, that is on pre and post corona pandemic conditions of migrated labor in India, which is going to held on 29th July from 11:15 am to 2:30 pm, which is going to organized by Department of Commerce in collaboration with Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Yashwant Rao Chavan Arts, Commerce and Science College, Nagpur. Our next webinar, that is on gender inequality and diversity in education, which is going to held on 26th July from 4:30 pm onwards, and which is going to organized by Department of Education, New Alipore College, Kolkata. Our next webinar, that is on Indian psychology, which is going to held on 26th July from 10 am to 12:30 pm, and the last date of registration is 25th July till 5 pm, which is going to organized by Yoga University, Ahmedabad. Our next webinar, that is actually international webinar, and the topic is fundamentals of web development, which is going to held from 4th August to 8th August, and the session timing will be from 4 pm to 6 pm. And I would like to mention here, this webinar is a paid one. So for this webinar you have to pay 129 rupees, and which is going to organized by HSPM Solutions. So our next webinar, that is on ethno-literature and the environment, Northeast Indian and South Asian literature in context, which is going to held on 30th July from 10:30 am onwards, and which is going to organized by Department of English and Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Sri Narayana College for Women, Kollam, Kerala. So our next webinar, that is on revised assessment and accreditation process of NAAC for higher education institutions, which is going to held on 10th August, and the last date of registration is 7th August, and which is going to organized by Uka Tarsadia University, Gujarat. So our next webinar, that is on megalithic culture of Tamil Nadu, which is going to held on 26th July from 3 pm onwards, and which is going to organized by Department of History, Presidency College, Chennai. So our next webinar, that is on scope, employment opportunities and future research to UG, PG student and research scholars, which is going to held from 27th July to 30th July, and the session timing will be from 3 pm to 5 pm, and the last date of registration is 25th July, and which is going to organized by Department of Geology, Vivekananda College. So our next webinar, that is actually today's webinar, and the topic is NAAC assessment and accreditation process under UGC Paramars scheme, which is going to held on 30 and 31st July from 2:30 pm to 5 pm, and which is going to organized by St. Xavier College, Kolkata. So our next webinar, there is actually lecture series, and the topic is sociological research colloquium, and which is going to held on 29th and 30th July from 10:30 am onwards, and which is going to organized by Department of Sociology, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Bihar. Our next webinar, that is on green energy and environment, which is going to held on 28th July from 10:15 am to 1 pm, and which is going to organized by Department of Chemistry, Annamalai University. Our next webinar, that is on role of politicians in management and control of pandemic COVID-19 in India, which is going to held on 29th July from 10:30 am onwards, and which is going to organized by Department of Political Science, Yashwant Rao Chavan College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Maharashtra. So our next webinar, that is on importance of talking calculated risk, which is going to held on 26th July from 11 am to 1 pm, and which is going to organized by SVSS Latur College of Pharmacy, Latur. Our next webinar, that is on autonomy, robotics and intelligence, which is going to held on 27th July from 6:30 onwards, and which is going to organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, West Bengal. So our next webinar, that is on 3D modeling on Google SketchUp, which is going to held from 30 July to 1st August, and the session timing will be from 3 pm to 5 pm every day, and which is going to organized by Department of Civil Engineering, Vagdevi College of Engineering, Warangal, Telangana. Our next webinar, that is on scope, employment opportunities and future research of applied geology, which is going to held from 27th July to 30th July from 3 pm to 5 pm, and which is going to organized by Department of Geology, Ramakrishna Mission, Vivekananda College, Chennai. Our next webinar, that is on Southeast Asian connectivity, the new opportunity for the Northeast India in post-COVID recovery, which is going to held on 27 July from 10 am onwards, and which is going to organized by Dakshin Kamrup College, Mircha. So our next webinar, that is on science fiction in an age of crisis, which is going to held on 8th August and 9th August from 11 am onwards, and which is going to organized by Damdama College. So our next webinar, that is on intellectual property rights engineers perspective, which is going to held on 27 July from 11 am onwards, and which is going to organized by Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Deogiri Institute of Engineering and Management Studies, Aurangabad. So our next webinar, that is on effects of climate change on water resources management, which is going to held on 26 July from 4:30 pm onwards, and which is going to organized by Maharashtra Institute of Technology, Aurangabad, in association with Indian Water Works Association, Aurangabad Center. Our next webinar, that is on artificial intelligence, and which is going to held on 8th and 9th August, and which is going to organized by 3G Institute of Research and Policy Studies, IIT Madras Research Park. So our next webinar, that is actually online awareness lecture series, and the topic is satellite communication and its application for the common man, which is going to held on 11th, 13th, 14th and 16th August, and which is going to organized by Indian Space Industry Exhibitors, Ahmedabad, supported and co-sponsored by NCBS, Gandhinagar. And here I would like to mention one thing, this lecture series is the paid one. So if you are a student, you have to pay 100 rupees, or if you are individual, you have to pay 150 rupees, or if you are belongs to research and development department or academic institutes or maybe industry or others, then you have to pay 300 rupees. So our next webinar, that is actually 2 days international webinar, and that is the last one. The topic is humanism in Indian education, which is going to held on 9th and 10th August from 12 noon to 3:30 pm, and the last date of registration is 5th August, and which is going to organized by Department of Sanskrit and Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Chakdaha College, West Bengal. So friends, this is what all about upcoming online webinars. For all the webinars, I have mentioned link in the description box. You can register for the webinars according to your area of interest. Thank you.